Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to record the thing that's going on your simulator. Okay, so if you click here, it will take a screenshot. Okay, so click it, screenshot, and then you can drag to your desktop, something like that. But what about you want to record something? Okay, so you can using the shortcut Command and R for recording. Okay, just already start recording and click. Okay, click, enter something, and click, enter something like that. And once you finish, click, and then you can click and drag to save on your desktop. Really simple. Just as simple as that. And of course, if you want, go to the file, you can also do that, save screen or record screen. Okay, that's all. Thanks. Bye.